Welcome to Math for Beginners. In this course, we are counting 1 to 10. Reminder: to be successful in math. 1. Understand the process. 2. Follow the steps. 3. Practice. 4. Memorize the important items. Remember, math is more of understanding rather than memorization. Let us start. This is the number 1. O-N-E. This is pronounced as 1. An example: a piece of apple. Your nose. Your mouth. This is the number 2. T-W-O. This is pronounced as 2. I have in this example 2 eyes, 2 chicken, and 2 ears. The left eye is 1. The right eye is 2. The left hand is 1. The right hand is 2. Finally, the left ear is 1. The right ear is 2. Now we know that the eye, hand, and ears are counted as 2. This is the number 3. T-H-R-E-E. This is pronounced as 3. There are 3 apples here. 1, 2, 3. This is the number 4. F-O-U-R. This is pronounced as 4. There is a bunch of bananas in here. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the number 5. F-I-V-E, pronounced as 5. This is hand. The hand has 5 fingers. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close open your hand and you will see 5 fingers moving. This is the number 6. S-I-X, pronounced as 6. Under the sea, we spot 6 fishes. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A total of 6. This is the number 7. S-E-V-E-N, pronounced as 7. In this sample, I am holding a card from a deck of cards. This has 7 hearts. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A total of 7. This is the number 8. E-I-G-H-T, pronounced as 8. In this board, there are 8 donuts. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A total of 8. This is the number 9. N-I-N-E, pronounced as 9. In this garden, there are 9 plants. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Finally, the number 10. Spelled as T-E-N, pronounced as 10. In this table there are 10 bottles. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is a total of 10. Congratulations! You have mastered the basic steps in math. As you explore the new world, you will encounter so many numbers. Knowing your numbers helps you to understand so many items. You are now ready to move to the next level. Remember, if you do not understand, ask. Try to replay the video and understand how it is done. If you like this kind of video, please subscribe. Share this to your friends. Support us on Patreon. www.patreon.com/simplysmart